Alright guys, we're supposed to get some thunder showers today, so been working on the track past day or so, and I saw Exclusive made a video, first time in a while, buddy, so good to see you. So this is a dedication to him, and also RC Mad UK asked about this car. So this is the 12 LC Racing 12BH, and we're running it with the 2S URGENEX or 2S Gens Ace 1550. It's a perfect battery for this. I'll probably keep this in there. We're using the 16 BL30 and 2845, I believe. So let's see what we got going on here. Now I did charge this yesterday. I hope there's nothing wrong with it. The only thing I did was oh, look at that. There's a bolt missing there. Alright. I'll be right back. Quick fix. Alright, let's try this again. My hex driver is pretty much shot, so it's pretty stripped, so I'm not sure how tight this is going to be, so we'll give it a go and see where it goes. So. Okay, that looks good. Now we tightened the slipper clutch too quite a bit this morning, so I was having problems with it slipping as it was, so hopefully that helps a little bit. I'm not sure the Tamiya clips are going to fit in here, but that's what I got on hand, so yes, they do. I hope everybody's having a great holiday weekend. Red, white, blue. But pretty exciting. You're going to see we made some serious changes to the track since yesterday. Not so much right here. But you can see that made a difference. And so you see that's new. I'm not really going to try to I think I already lost it. Yep. Well, yeah. I need a new hex driver, guys. That sucks so bad. It was running good. And you see the changes. Let me go see if I get an LC or a WL that isn't having problems. That I don't need a hex driver to fix. Just not sure I got batteries. One of them days, guys. One of them days. Tried to get it on there again. We'll see how it goes. I just want to try out those new sections pretty bad. Anyways, like I was saying, I want this section to be more carpet. And that I changed that little hopper. I'm not sure it's going to be a good or bad thing. We might have to take it out completely. I'm going to drive it easy. So you see, oh, here comes the thunder. I just want to test out my new hop-up. Yeah, that's nice. Ugh. Hopefully you're seeing this. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Yep, and we lost it again. Well, at least we got a couple quick hops before. It's raining anyway, so like and subscribe, guys. Front wheel. front wheel. I'll see you when I see you. An exclusive. We got to get in touch, but I got a car I want you to check out. I still want you to do that. I'll see you when I see you. Got to get these cars inside before it rains too much. Peace.